So we have a Sashiko practice circle that we're going to use. Absolutely fine, you can do huge designs. So we're going to start with the center circle, then we're going to work our way out. So take your needle and put it on the back of your work, and you can see I'm pushing just to find where I'm going to put it through. And then pull the thread through. Your knot on the back will sit nicely. To Sashiko, just do in and out motion, but we're actually going to be holding the needle steady and moving the fabric onto the needle. And I'm doing very tiny stitches. You can do larger stitches if you prefer. So you can see I'm holding the needle steady in my right hand and I'm moving the fabric with my left hand to feed it onto the end. Whatever size stitch you decide works for you, just repeat that on each of the circles. So now we're going to the second line. So if you're right-handed as I am, keep in your left hand your thumb over that center circle, like so. And with your right hand, we're going to do the stitches this way around. This will really help to keep the distance between the two circles even. When you get to the larger circles, you can do more stitches in a row at the same time, but on the very tight circles, it's difficult to get the curve. And that's it. You are away. So I'll show you later when these are finished, but that's as easy as it is.